Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and thank you for following me along on my journey of becoming a full stack developer one day. And we are getting close every day. So yeah, in this video we will be revisiting our old project rock paper scissors. I currently learned about DOM manipulation and event handling. I haven't practiced much, but yeah, we'll practice with this project. So let's get into it. I just opened this lesson and we'll solve it together. I have already opened my repository of rock, paper, scissors, and we have done everything on console, but now we are adding UI to it. So let's do it, shall we? Manipulate. It's time to visit rock, paper, scissors and add a simple UI to it. Before you start making changes to it, you need to learn about a concept and code called branching. So yeah, we are also learning about Git. I haven't, I don't know about this, so yeah, let's learn it together. About breaking what you have now. Okay, so I'm guessing it's like we are adding UI to this project and we don't want to change anything from this. So we will branch this project and make changes to that branch. I'm guessing that is what Git branching is. Branching in Git allow your repository to have, yeah, it's the same thing. Back in the setting application where you ran git config, you were setting the name of what's called the default branch for your repos. The default branch is just what we call it, like the branches and all of the branches for project tab of a trunk, the main branch, or off of other branches. When you make commits on a specific branch, those changes only exist on that branch, leaving all of the other branches in there. Yeah, so it's the same thing. I was right, it's the same thing. So they are asking us to use branch so we don't mess up our project which we have created. So yeah, we will do just that. Get branch and branch name. So let's create a branch. Do we have to use this these curly things? You can then change to your new branch using git checkout. So yeah, let's just git checkout. And what should we call our branch? Branch one. Branch one. And syntax error near. You just Google it. I'm guessing there is no curly things. Yeah, there are no curly things. Okay, working pretty screen. Actually, let's close it and we will open branch one. I want to know if there's something different. Okay, so when we are done with our branch, we can merge it to our main branch by using git merge command. So let's just complete our project and we'll do just that. When I told you that my computer is slow, I was really serious because my computer is a mess, bro. So yeah, we'll learn about it later. We just Yeah. Set up a new branch on your previous office. Yeah, we did that. Since we've been making a UI for our offices again, make a new branch and change it to it with the command git checkout b rps. What is rps UI? Also, this is the branch name. We just named it branch one, but it's fine. Locally, however, this branch does not exist in your remote repo yet. If you go to your GitHub, you will see that you have one branch, which will be the main. Let's push this new branch to your remote repo with the command git push origin. And let's push it first. I'm entering branch one because I named one branch one, and they have asked us to name this, but I already did that, so it doesn't matter. Nothing's done. Make sure you can check this with the git branch command. And branch one, okay. In our UI, the player should be able to play the game by clicking on the buttons rather than typing their answer in a prompt. For now, remove the logic that plays exactly 5 rounds. Create 3 buttons, one for each selection, and add animate listener to the buttons that call your playground function. So what I want to do is first we will just remove the prompt commands. Let's just go live first, see what we are dealing with. Because we added a bunch of prompt command to get user input. I'm guessing we still have those. Yep. Can I cancel it? Yeah. So what I want to do is I want to divide this whole screen into 3 parts. The first 3 parts vertically. So the first part would be user selection panel. The middle part would be the result of the game, and the third part would be we'll add some images of our robot and we call it a computer. So 3 parts vertically and 2 parts horizontally. The upper part will have a heading and the lower part will have the actual game. So I'm guessing we should create a UI first, and then we'll move forward. So let's create a CSS file and link it to our HTML file. I have to remove this from command or otherwise it will keep asking for it. Yeah, let's remove now. Actually, there's this comment that we might delete it for later use. Yeah, so save it. Now so these are my default settings for any HTML, any CSS file I create. So 3 parts vertically and 2 parts horizontally. So we will create 2 divs first. What should we call it? Horizontal 1. I actually forgot how to do that. Yeah. So with the strikes and we get 1 and 2. So we have two horizontal divs, and in the first div we don't need three columns, right? We only need heading. So in this div we will put three more divs. Dot vertical static times three. So we get three verticals and two horizontal. That's it. Let's just make it a little bit. See if it is. Should we add container? Uh, Actually, yeah, we should add container. Looks good. So we can use flexbox for both the horizontal divs. Yeah, I'm just checking if it is working correctly. So let's give it blank background. Yeah, we have now flex and flex for column. Uh, oh, I've written a lot of JavaScript. I'm sorry. So we now have two horizontal. We need two verticals now. So we will create another flex box within this. We don't need to write flex flow column because we need it in horizontal. So it's working perfectly now. We'll add our headings here. Actually, let's do it now. Why not? Yeah, let's do it. So in horizontal one, we'll have H1, which will say rock, paper, scissors. And H3, best of 5. Yeah, best of 5. I actually forgot um, how to take these things to the center. But we'll try our best. We will change fonts and everything, but let's just create a UI look better now. What if we just justify content center and align it to center? Yeah, no. We don't want that. We don't want that. We don't want any of that. padding inline and padding block. Padding block is how I mean how much is this in pixels? I want to know how much is this in pixels. Uh, 292. What if I move it up? I want to know the height of it. Should we call it even 300? Even 300, I don't know. Yeah, padding block is 100 pixels. I read somewhere on the schools how to center this vertically. W3 had the best solution, and I want to use it. So maybe it's not. You can see how slow is my computer. I think this is looking pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, the text is in the center, and I think we need to change font. And I've found a great way to find some beautiful fonts. We will search Google Fonts. Go to this website and select our text and paste it here. Now we can select whatever font we find best. And I am liking this one pretty much. Let's just see our options. Oh, this one is good. This one is good. Now we like this font, we select the style and we copy this code. Paste it on our HTML head element. Then we go here again, select font friendly. It's looking good, it's looking beautiful. We change font, we change color. Actually, we need to change background color to something. What should be? Wait. We'll get contrast from Google. It's so easy. You can just Google anything now. This looks good. I think we'll use this. So they have used, we will use this as our background. Should be this for everything. What is this color? But they don't have it. They don't have it for websites. This looks good. 5CDP95. Looking great now. Actually, we should add some borders. For border, we'll use for borders. I think this color 379683. Why is it not adding any borders? Border 1.5. Oh, we haven't added pixels. Ah, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. I'm using this one for this, and this color I'm using for buttons. This color I already used 8EE4AF. Let's try this one. It looks okay. It doesn't look so good. Do we have any good colors to? Oh, this might look good. 1A, 1A, 1D. Where did it go? Yeah. For buttons, we use this. For borders, for buttons we can use this too. With this, so for borders 950740. It's looking good now. I think it's looking something. For fonts, we can use this color 6F2232. It's looking size. We will increase font size to 30 pixels maybe. 30 is nothing. Where is it to 60? Yeah, 60. And for it looks something. I think it's yeah, I think it's good. Yeah. We can move forward. I think we should remove the borders. What happens if we remove the borders? Let's see. It can work that way too. So we have designed our top part. Now we need to design our this part. For in vertical one, we need 3 buttons. Oh, I forgot. So we have 3 buttons within vertical one. If we apply flex to it, what would happen? Nothing, but nothing is happening. So flex to a column. Oh, I'm adding all these things to this one. I'm gonna add it to this one. Okay. Why is it taking all of this much space? So we separated all of our buttons. We now change our font. For font, we use for button we use this color. I'm guessing it's yeah. It's this one for button background and this white for the color. Five zero seven four zero. Why are the different sizes? Oh, we need to change the width. 30 pixels? No. Yeah. Yeah. Margin inline, what does margin block does is it only applies margin property to y-axis properties. So now our pattern is looking something, we can add animations and everything, all that. But first, we gotta make it look more good, better. We gotta make it look better. So border radius, not enough. Yeah. Font, we gotta change font too. So what does it look like? Oh, this font looks sexy. Select the style kindly. It's comfort, right? Yeah, increase the font size, please. 25 pixels. It's looking something, it's looking something. So what this transition probably does, no. Why the hover property is not working? So when we hover over it, so first of all, cursor pointer, and second of all, border, we get border of 1 pixel solid white. We can change it to a more amazing thing. See, it feels more interactive now. So yeah, it's looking good, it's looking great, it's looking beautiful. Our buttons are designed. We don't need to do anything with vertical 2 right now. We'll add this images in vertical 3. Images in vertical 3. Let's see what other people did. I haven't seen any other, Oh, where are other people's submissions? I'm guessing it's in the previous project lesson thing here. Great. See, what I'm trying to do is, as soon as I click this, we got this, thing to go down. I don't want to do this again and again, so I'm just playing with my screen size. What we can do is, we can, instead of adding computer things, we can turn this into a scoreboard or something. This color does not look super well. I need something like this. 1F2833. I'm going to transform it. So background would be 1F2833. Six FCF1. One F2833. And when we go forward, now it's looking more. Actually, let's change these to that also, that color. Yeah. So we don't need to do anything with middle part because it will show result of every round. but we can count those results in here. So what I want to do is let's say scoreboard, and so I added class user because at the start of the game, when this game starts, we will ask the user for the name, and whatever is their name, we will add that to this HTML or paragraph, so it will show the name of that user. Getting it? So there's this para and user. So we can manipulate these two. We don't need to do anything with this code, but it will stay as it is. So for user, we don't need to do anything. We just for computer, yeah, and then the score of computer. Or maybe we can use span. I think I'm happy with whatever I did. Three, heading 3. Color would be same as this. Testing fonts. What is this font? What is this font? Yeah. Okay, so just to see how is it working. I think it looks good, and we will add more water. I think it's looking good. Yeah, let's work quicker. And this too. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, it's looking good. Now we work with JavaScript. First, what should we do? As soon as the page starts, the first thing, we have got the username. What we need to do is, oh no. We'll comment it out for now. And what we need to do is we need to enter that username in this user class. It's not working. It's not working. We need to store this let a. I completely forgot how did I do that. Oh, very well. Is that how we did that? Why is it not working? Let's see. Select yes user. We got it. So yeah, it is working. Now we have got the name. That username input. So now we've got that. Let's just comment it out so we don't repeatedly get asked the question. Now we have got the question down. User is about to play the game. So we have given this class to this button as rock. So now we have stored every button in each variable. Is this correct? So what happens when we click rock button, or when we click paper button, or when we click scissor button? We need to add events to them. Rock button dot add event listener event of connect. And when we click something, when we click rock button, the website should get the trigger that we have clicked rock. So instead of giving player selection, we will give it later on. Where is player selection? Where is player selection? I don't even remember my own code. Yeah, yes. So let's just see how this game is working. For computer choice, we have this. It will either be rock, paper, or scissors. We'll get the computer choice, that's it. In this function, we play around. But the main function is this. User counter is 0, computer counter is 0. So we are asking for user input. We don't need that anymore because we know the user input. What we need to do is when user clicks rock, user input is equal to rock. And when we click paper, user input should be paper, and when we click scissor, user input should be scissor. So what I think we should do is instead of player selection, so when user clicks any of these buttons, it will call this function playground. And then we get the result. So we don't need to do that. Now let's see if we don't do anything to the console. The score is testing me. Computer selection is not defined. It's serious. Oh, sorry, computer play. Sorry. I think I have an idea what should we do. So now we have player choice, we have computer play. This is the first time I'm working with DOM manipulation in handling. It's not looking good. I guess hmm, I guess we'll work later because I'm too tired. As you can see, it's nearly 4:30 a.m. in the morning in my country. So I think we'll have to end it here. We'll continue this in our next video. So thanks for sticking if you're still watching this video. And you can give me any suggestion on what am I doing wrong and what is my planning. And I think the next thing I'll try to do is write a pseudocode and algorithm on how I want to solve this problem. So yeah, keep watching my videos if you want to follow me along on the journey. Thank you guys.